Lessons you learn from others. If some people don't like you, you're doing something right. Never take sides of a fighting couple. One minute they're fighting and the next minute they're in a passionate embrace making up. Don't have expectations for others that you yourself can't fulfill. Before you judge or criticize others, take a good look at yourself. Don't think you're so smart that you outsmart yourself. If you work hard at learning and growing, you'll never feel old. You can't help who you love, but you can control how you react to the feelings when it's a person who is bad for you. Fear is a barrier that we create ourselves. Embrace change in every aspect of your life. Not everything you think is true. All day long our inner voices are chattering away. Learn to recognize what is limiting and what is realistic. We don't understand something until we're ready to understand it. You'll be defined by your actions and words. Your reputation is all you have. If you're not failing, your life will be boring. Love is not just a feeling, it's a choice.